Okay, we're at part 3. Thank you again for watching. This is Kurt Michael Boyd with Russ Lang Sotheby's, Scottsdale. We're at 3500 East Lincoln Drive, number 6, Phoenix, Arizona 85018. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, $37.45 on the square foot, built in 1970. It's a part of Lincoln Hills. It's almost 15,000 square foot lot with a private pool. And the asking price is $2.125, and it is pristine. Everything is classic Phoenix of 1970 all the way. Beautiful. So this leads into the kitchen. So we've got outdoor kitchenette, like a little barbecue area here. Practice putting green. I'm not much of a golfer, but this is cool. So we've got kind of a panoramic view here. So let's go down to the pool area. The camera's it's hard to capture the size of the pool. The pool's really big. It's not extremely deep just due to the lot, but it's great. It's wide, it's clean, everything is perfect with it, everything. All the tile, all the filtration, everything is perfect. So here is the city. Again, the camera can't capture it really. This is closer than it appears. But you get all the city lights of Phoenix. When the baseball games happen at Chase Field, there'll be fireworks all over the place right here. Awesome sunsets, very private. So let's go over, I want to just go to this side of the lot real quick, and then I'm going to get back in the house so I can get the telephone into the refrigerator, cool it down, do the uploading, and then make sure I share it with everybody on Facebook, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. If you want to have a private showing of this house, please give me a call. I'm at 480-203-3704. Not for you scammers, no text bots or whatever, just real people that want to see the house and buy it so I can dive in to this pool with my very expensive shoes from Spain. So how would that be? Anyways, thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Hope you have a great day. Again, we're at 3500 East Lincoln Drive, number 6, Phoenix 85018. I'm Kurt Boyd with Russ Lang Sotheby's, Scottsdale, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you for watching as the channel grows. Thank you kindly.